In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate your Canva website. So to get started on animating your Canva website, just click on the elements that you want to include an animation in. I like to group elements that I want to get animated all together in one motion. So I grouped all these elements together, and to make an animation for an element, just click on it and then click on animate at the top bar. And over here you can choose any animation you want this to run when the website maybe runs, or when you enter the page, or when you leave the page even. So just click on one, and then you can set it on enter, on exit, or both. I'm gonna keep it on both here, and that's it for this animation. So I'm gonna give the other elements as well an animation. So I'm gonna just multi-select by holding shift and then selecting, and then clicking on animate again, and then I'm gonna just give everything the rise animation. And that's the first page done. So to animate the second page, we'll just do the same thing. So I have these two elements grouped, which consist of this paragraph and this title. So I'm gonna just group them again here. And then to animate them, just select, animate, and then make sure group is selected, not element. If you have element selected, then you can also do that, but it's going to animate them both separately. So just like this. But I'm gonna select group here. I'm gonna make it rise. So I'm gonna make everything rise for this video. And I'm gonna also make this element as well rise. And let's go to the next page. So I have 4 pages total in this website. So I'm gonna just finish up all of them real quick. I'm gonna also group these elements together, and then I'm gonna animate them. I'm gonna group all of these videos together. Or if you want to make them appear one by one, which makes it look cool, then you can animate it like that. You can just multi-select everything and then animate and then rise. So as you saw, they all came one by one. I'm gonna group these two though, and I'm gonna animate those. So now for the final page, I'm gonna do the same thing. Let's click on this element, and then this, and this as well. And let's just select rise for all of them. And that's it. That's how you can animate your Canva website. I just chose one type of animation for everything to make things simple for this video. So to preview your animations, just click on preview. And as you can see, when we entered the website, or this page, homepage, we saw all the entry animations, and when we go to the rest of the pages, we can see these animations work. And they also work when we leave the website as well, as you saw. And if you want to remove any animations, then just click on the element you want to remove the animations from, and then click on remove animation. Of course, you have to have animate turned on or selected first. So click on animate and then remove animation. And that's it. That's how you can animate your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.